Your job in the world is to find out what your real work is. Your real work. Work's what you do for yourself. Toil is what you do for somebody else. That work is what's going to satisfy your soul. That work is what animates you, which permits you to live in the exercise of your own unique and specific virtue. Now, you're going to take a lot of dumb jobs. You're going to take a lot of jobs that you don't like, or jobs that take you nowhere. You're going to pay maybe a dumb wage. You could have a good boss or a bad boss, but the boss is the boss, and you can't laugh off that curse. But if you do that toil, you're going to take part of the money and part of the time and use it to acquire tools and skills that enable you to do your work. When you've got that, someday you're going to pick up the phone and call in well. You're going to start to do your work, put your work in the world.
The intention was for this car to lead a very boring life. And then I drove it across the spine of Africa.
And with something you find out you can't do by yourself, you find other people who are like-minded, who want to do the same sort of thing.
I really like, on a day when the weather is nice, to take a car out and just enjoy.
I find those moments come too rarely.
And you come together and you make that voluntary combination.